Hey, here at Eden Homestead, and this is one of my favorite activities. My name is Heidi, and I've come here a few months ago before the coronavirus really hit, but now this place is a refuge, and it lives up to the name of Eden. And Eden Homestead lives up to its name of being that Eden, that place of the garden where the Lord communes with us. And this is Copper. He's the wonderful rooster, and he takes care of all of his women, all of these chickens that lay us fresh eggs every day. How you doing, girl? Yeah, you're a beautiful one. You're treated really well, not only by Copper, but by Dawn and Rosanna, who oversee this place.